Quick mic test. 3, 2, and now, Farmer of the Week. 3, 2, and now, Farmer of the Week. 3, 2, and now, Farmer of the Week. Hi. I just want to say hi. See how you're doing. 3, 2, and now, Farmer of the Week. Excuse me, sir. What is your opinion on categories?
Very smart.
No. Hello. What is your opinion
On what?
on everything?
No.
Okay. I just want to say hi. Hi. Take the pass, Logan. Good job, Logan. Should we go interview a kid? Christopher, what is your opinion?
Opinion of what?
Everything.
Well, my opinion on everything, it sucks sometimes.
Recycling.
Okay. Elaborate.
It sucks.
Miss Mr. Clark.
Elaborate.
We gotta get Mr. Clark.
He's already gone.
Okay.
The Phantom's gone.
Here, can I hold it?
It only sucks sometimes.
Excuse me, Logan. Logan, what is your opinion?
Yeah.
No, your opinion.
Yes.
Excuse me, Logan. Logan.
There's 3 of them.
Your opinion?
Mr. Slack. We can have Mr. Slack's opinion. He's right down there.
What's your opinion?
It's good.
Mr. Slack, don't go yet.
I like these odds. Mr. Slack, what is your opinion?
Of what?
Everything.
It's too vague.
Okay. Mr. Dix, what is your opinion?
I would have to say that my opinion is yes with an and, no with a but, or an if. Everything is everything, ma'am.
Thank you for your time. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. What is your opinion?
More to go.
Wait.
No, it's going.
Thank you for your time. Excuse me. What is your opinion?
I've just been working out too much.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
What if it's
Aiden, what is your opinion? My opinion. Excuse me. What is your opinion? What? Fold it up and Ev just carry it. Just Ev carry it. You carry it from the top. Producer, open my door. Thank you, producer.
Do you have passes?
Spear you
Did
later.
you actually grab passes, Aiden?
Logan has a pass. He's
Okay.
a producer. God. Shut up. An actor, a high budget actor like me, doesn't deserve to be. Were you filming? Getting over it with Bennett Fox.
Are you stuck? I don't think this is a mountain.
We just summited Everest for all you non-believers. If they ain't a mountain. The American flag right there.
You need to just have an American flag painted on your body.
Oh god, it's hard to drag this thing.
Oh, the camera rotated behind me.
Oh damn, I ate 3 worms and kissed a goat on the mouth.
Twice.
For Deadbird. You're welcome, Deadbird.
I have to look like I'm a child beater. For
I
Deadbird.
kissed a freaking goat.
I'd kiss a
Can you
goat.
empty that before we go inside? Thank you. Dude, it was like voice activated. It just fell. Damn, I look sexy in these overalls.
Come on. So you kissed a goat and rubbed goose poop on your face and eaten 3 worms.
Yes. I mean, they.
Marley, no, close the door. No, please,
God,
we need to get back in.
Not good.
Why'd you eat them then? You mean cameraman? You know, you're not the star of the show. I am.
Correct me.
I am the star of the show.
You're.
I suppose you're higher budget than me, but...
Getting me here.
Oh, is that where all our budget went?
Yeah.
I have to walk really carefully because I'm trying to not get the lens in.
You mean negative A-list? No, it's negative because negative equals positive.
Why? There's no goats.
In math class.
Oh, wait, there's the goat. Aiden, the goats are over there.
What?
They're over there.
What?
Goats.
Let's not go over. Oh, that kind of looks like a farm though, doesn't it? Should we go over
Well,
there?
that's still on the school's property.
Yeah, let's do it. Nice shoes.
Oh, we have to get the goats signed permission.
It actually worked.
Aiden, we have to get the goats signed permission to use them in this footage.
Okay.
Hello, goats. Aiden,
Sign
not at
here.
the camera.
Hey, sign here.
We're getting the goats signed permission to use them. What?
Producer?
Actually, is this still the school's property? I don't think it is.
This right here.
Yeah.
I think it ends like right there.
So are the goats the school's then?
No.
No.
Oh.
Beyond this fence isn't school property.
Oh.
Do you think the school owns that house?
Maybe.
They don't have enough budget for that.
Okay, so we actually probably get our clips now.
Teachers get paid.
Yo, he's interested.
Oh, dude, we're brothers, man.
Ja, vi snakker. Snauber.
Just pull my pants off. Help me, you get this leg, I'll get the other one.
Okay.
Just the top layer.
This one's coming off.
It is. That's because I loosened it for you.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one. There's one.
Okay, hold up this one. Hold up his foot while I get
I actually thought this one. Aiden, I thought everything you were wearing was
It's not good. Okay, did you get that?
Riding around in a chair, yeah, I'm sweating like a water balloon.
You should look like that.
Hi, I'm Davey.
Can you blow in my eyes?
Weed across the street.
Come here. Come here.
In my eyes.
Oh, please go away. You're scary.
Keep doing it. Stop with the noise, okay?
You sounded like scary Mickey Mouse.
You just go in the
Aiden, you sounded
hallway
like-
and ask kids, will you blow in my eyes?
Aiden, you sound like demonic Mickey Mouse. What is he doing?
He's rubbing water all over his face.
Aiden, your face looks like someone's been hitting you.
Please. Please, don't take me back.
Okay.
This is actually getting really disturbing.
Okay.
He was asking us to blow in his eyes.
So I can make him. So I can cry, yeah. Here, you want to blow in my eyes a little bit more?
I'm very proud of this.
Blow it up. Yeah.
Aiden, you have to make the noise you were making at us.
Okay, I'm good.
Take the table. No, you have to be under the table. Okay, I need to be able. Hey, you guys need to make me stop